Hello guys, for today we're going to discuss distance between 2 points. So trying to imagine guys, we have Cartesian plane. So alam naman natin kung ano yung tsura ng Cartesian plane. So kapag nag-plot tayo ng dalawang points, for example, magkahiwalay. Gusto natin kunin yung distansya ng dalawang points na yan. So ano nga ba yung gagawin para makuha natin yung distance between 2 points na yun? So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba kunin yung distance between 2 points. Okay? So when we say distance or distance formula, sabi dito, the distance formula is an algebraic expression used to determine the distance between 2 points with coordinates of x sub 1, y sub, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, ano ibig sabihin nun? Meron tayong dalawang points. So, ibig sabihin, kapag may dalawa tayong points, lagyan agad natin ng pangalan. So, automatic, yung unang point, gawin natin x sub 1, y sub 1 natin. And yung pangalawang point natin, gawin natin x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, kapag na-okay na, nalagyan na natin ng x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So, ano yung formula ang gagamitin natin to find the distance between 2 points? Okay, so the distance or the formula to find the distance between 2 points is d. So, it means yung d, ibig sabihin distance. So, distance is equal to the square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared. So, ibig sabihin nun, kunin natin yung difference ng x sub 2 and x sub 1 natin. So, after natin makuha yung difference ng x sub 2 and x sub 1, i-square natin or i-multiply natin sa makuha natin difference. Okay? Plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So, ibig sabihin, kunin natin yung difference between y sub 2 and y sub 1. And after natin makuha yung difference, i-square natin or i-multiply natin sa sarili. Kakaintindihan? After natin makuha yung sa x at saka sa y, i-add na natin. After natin i-add, kunin natin yung square root. Tignan natin kung mabuti, kung yung nasa loob ng radical symbol natin is perfect square, or pwede natin i-simplify pa, or hindi na siya perfect square. Magbigay tayo ng example para lalo natin maintindihan kung paano nga ba kinukuha yung distance between 2 points. Okay? So, example number 1. So, find the distance between 2 points. So, problem natin, find the distance between 2 points. So, number 1, we have negative 1, 1, and 3, 4. So, nagbigay ng dalawang points. So, para hindi tayo malito, lagyan agad natin ng pangalan. Yung x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, at y sub 2. The question is, sir, pwede ba yung kabila ang gawin kong x sub 1? At ito namang kabila yung gawin kong x sub 2. Pwede kaya yun? Yes, pwede naman yun. Siguraduhin lang natin, kapag ito yung naging x sub 1 natin, dapat ito rin yung magiging y sub 1 natin. Hindi po pwedeng nandito yung x sub 1, nandito si y sub 1, mali po yun. Nagkakaintindihan? Tandaan, si x sub 1, lagi niyang kasama si y sub 1. At si x sub 2, lagi niyang kasama si y sub 2. Okay lang kung anong gawin yung points. Kung gusto niyo itong gawin x sub 1, y sub 1, or ito naman gawin yung x sub 1, y sub 1, okay lang. Same answer lang naman po yung makukuha natin. Nagkakaintindihan. Okay, solve natin. So, to find the distance between 2 points, yung negative 1, 1, and 3, 4, kunin natin yung formula. Ano ba yung formula ang gagamitin natin? So, distance or d is equal to the square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So, salpak lang natin sa formula natin or replace lang natin. So, bago natin i-replace, kunin natin yung x sub 1, x sub 2. Ano yung x sub 1 natin? So, ito na lang gawin natin x sub 1, y sub 1. Sa kabila naman, siya naman yung x sub 2 at y sub 2. Okay tayo doon. So, lagay natin. Ano yung value ng x sub 2 natin? Ano yung value ng x sub 2 natin? 3 minus x sub 1 natin. X sub 1 natin is negative 1. Negative 1. So, kapag may magkatabing sign tayo, pag may magkatabing sign katulad nito, minus at negative. Pag may magkatabi, i-multiply natin yung dalawang sign na magkatabi. So, negative times negative is equal to positive. So, lagyan na lang natin. Gawin natin positive na agad. Sabihin natin agad positive. So, magiging plus 1 na. 3 plus 1 squared. Dahil may square tayo, don't forget the square. plus y sub 2 natin, 4 minus y sub 1 natin, is positive 1. So, salpak lang natin. Then, squared. So, solve lang natin. So, this is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then, squared. Plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 squared. Then, solve. So, 4 squared is equal to 16. Then, plus 3 squared is equal to 9. So, solve natin. So, magiging d is equal to the square root of 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Then, simplify natin kung possible. So, makikita naman natin yung square root of 25 is perfect square. So, square root of 25 is equal to 5. So, the answer is 5. So, the distance between negative 1, 1 and 3, 4 is 5 units. So, pag pinag-usapan natin yung distance, we're talking about units. So, kung gusto niya lagyan ng units, okay lang. Kakaintindi yan. So, another example to find distance between 2 points is, number 2 natin is 2, 3, and 1, 1. Kunin natin yung distance between 2, 3, and 1, 1 using the distance formula. So, sabi ko kanina, kapag kukunin na natin yung distance between 2 points, lagyan agad natin ng pangalan. Lagyan natin ng sign kung sino yung x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So, yung 2, lagyan natin x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So, formula to find the distance between 2 points is, so d is equal to the square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So, kunin na natin, salpak lang natin or substitute lang natin yung given value ng x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1 at y sub 2 doon sa formula natin na distance formula. Okay? So, d is equal to the square root of, ano yung value ng x sub 2 natin? X sub 2 natin is 1 minus x sub 1 natin is 2 minus 2 squared, don't forget the squared, plus the quantity of y sub 2 natin is 1 minus y sub 1 natin is 3 minus 3, then squared. Solve. Solve lang muna natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, 1 minus 2 is equal to negative 1 squared. Then, 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2 squared. Okay tayo doon? Solve. Continue lang natin. So, negative 1 squared. So, negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to positive 1. Then, plus negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4. Then solve. So, distance is equal to the square root of 5. So, sabi ko kanina, kapag nakuha na natin yung, nasolve na natin sa yung mga given natin sa loob na radical symbols natin, i-check natin kung perfect square or pwede pang i-simplify or hindi na. Ano ibig sabihin ko ng hindi na? Ibig sabihin ng hindi na, yung number or yung base number natin sa loob ng radical symbol natin, wala nang factors na may perfect square or hindi na pwede natin i-simplify. Di ba kapag i-simplify tayo ng mga radical symbol, ng mga radicals, kailangan tignan natin yung mga factors, yung mga perfect square factors ng number natin sa loob, and yun ang ilalabas natin. Eh, yung given natin, yung answer natin na square root of 5, wala namang factors na may perfect square. Ang factors lang naman ng 5 is 5 times 1. Ang 5, hindi naman perfect square. Ang 1, automatic, meron naman na siyang 1 na. So, yung square root of 5, so alam naman natin na hindi na pwedeng simplify. Kung gusto natin calculate, so kunin lang natin, type lang natin sa calculator, square root of 5, so makakuha tayo ng decimal numbers. Nagkakaintindihan? Kung ang sagot lang po natin is square root of 5, kasi hindi naman po natin pwedeng simplify pa, okay na. Nagkakaintindihan. Okay tayo na? So, last examples in finding the distance between 2 points is 1, 2 and negative 3, negative 2. So, lagyan natin ng x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, at y sub 2. So, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So, using the distance formula, so d is equal to the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay? So, substitute lang natin yung mga given values natin ng x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, at y sub 2. Doon sa formula natin. Nagkakaintindihan? Okay. So, d is equal to the square root of x sub 2 natin. Ano yung x sub 2 natin? Negative 3 minus x sub 1, 1, then squared. Plus, y sub 2 natin is negative 2 minus y sub 1, 2, then squared. So, d is equal to negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4, then squared. Then, negative 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 4, then squared. Solved. So, d is equal to negative 4 times 2, times 4, negative 4 times negative 4, or negative 4 squared is equal to positive 16. Plus negative 4 squared is also positive 16. Solve natin. So, d is equal to the square root of 32. So, kung ganyan ang answer natin, i-check natin mabuti. Meron kayong factors ang 32 na may perfect square? Ano ni mga factors ng 32 na may perfect square? Isa-isayin natin. 1 times 32, ganun pa rin. Ano pa? 8 times 4. Pwede. Lakihan natin ng konti. Yung may malapit, yung talagang may perfect square agad. How about 16 times 2? Tama? 16 times 2 is 32. Yung 16, perfect square. Kasi 4 times 4. Tama? 16. Okay. So, ano yung factors ng 32? Na may perfect square? 16 times 2. Yung 16, kapag kinuha natin yung square root ng 16, perfect square. 4 times 4 is 16. So, square root of 16 is equal to 4. 4. And ayun natitira natin sa loob ng natural symbol natin? 2. So, the final answer is 4 square root of 2. Naiintindihan? So, kapag magsisimplify tayo, guys, so, tignan natin mabuti kung may perfect square ba na factors yung number na nasa loob ng radical symbol natin. Kung alam natin merong perfect square ng factors, ilalabas natin. Nagkakaintindihan? So, in finding the distance between 2 points, tandaan lang natin yung formula natin, the distance formula. So, d is equal to the square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So, nagkakaintindihan tayo in finding the distance between 2 points?